The main reason I joined the L3 method was to get out of the rut I was in. I developed some pretty gnarly habits throughout the pandemic.
It was really a gift to myself. I knew it was an investment, but I was like, I have been giving to everyone else and I deserve this.
I think I wanted to find a sustainable kind of lifestyle. Like I was on this like roller coaster on diets.
I was doing it for my kids. And I was secondarily doing it for me, but I feel like I've switched because in some ways it's really for me.
My original reason, I remember like saying I want to look as hot as I want, whether or not I'm in a relationship. That was something that was important to me. It's like I get lazy when I'm in a relationship, so I wanted to like maintain it no matter what.
Remembering back when I first decided to invest in L3 method, and I remember thinking, oh my God, this really speaks loudly to me because I've been trying everything. You have no idea. I've spent so much money on so many different programs, so many different amazing coaches that I built great relationships with, but nothing was working. Like I just hit a plateau. And it was that last layer, you see it in my face. It was just what I needed.
Wow.
I wanted to feel healthy. I wanted to not feel so sluggish. Weight loss was a goal, but it wasn't like the most important thing because it was really more important for me to feel not so sluggish and yuck and feel like I just didn't have any energy.
I felt very stuck. Like it felt impossible to get out of this overeat at night by myself, drink wine, and not working out, like zero motivation to work out.
My limiting beliefs were that if I was not like on an extreme diet or like not having any carbs or stuff like that, then I would never see results. If I eat this, what's gonna happen?
The limiting belief is that this is where my body is just gonna be. Because I knew that I've been pushing all of my effort and have done all kinds of diet fads. And I'm like, I think this is just the farthest my body can go. That was my limiting belief for a while. Because like when you're getting out of old habits, it's hard.
100%.
I had zero hydration habits. I did not have a regular stress management, meditation lifestyle, or any sense of routine that included managing my own self and my home. And so I just felt disorganized. I felt chaotic. I felt like I had no sense of stability.
I said, I'm fat and I'm so tired of looking in the mirror. And, I was doing the whole, it wasn't pity party, but I said, I'm not buying anything else because I'm tired of wearing these clothes. I'm tired. And every time I look in the mirror and I just feel I'm disgusted and very discouraged. I'd get mad. I'd do a bunch of self-sabotage. I can't, this is not, why do I don't, and
I love it. That was so good.
And when I went to the doctor, she said, well, you're in menopause. You probably won't lose, the weight, but just work your hardest,
Wow.
see if you can, but you probably won't because you're postmenopausal.
Wow.
Postmenopausal women are the hardest ones to, lose weight. So I just felt kind of defeated anyway.
Wow. I think you lost almost 20 pounds, yeah?
Yeah, about
18?
18, yeah.
18 pounds.
18.
Why are you being so casual about that? It's a big deal. 18 pounds?
Yeah.
From doing not that much exercise? Like, you lost 18 pounds. That's amazing. And dropping 4 dress sizes?
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Yeah, because I was pushing a 14.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're down to like some 8s.
It's some 8s, but
Fitting into some 8s and actually looking in the mirror and being like, I look good.
yeah.
It felt hopeful. It felt like it really was going to happen. It felt true.
Yeah. I love
I
it.
was like so impressed with like my arm strength and my leg strength because I was like, what's important to me is like I can dance and I feel how strong I am on my turns.
Cool. So starting weight was 129, 130. And what was your ending weight?
121.
Wow. That's pretty impressive. Who do you believe you've become through this process?
I think I've become more of a leader in my health, I think. Just because before I was kind of more a victim of my health.
Before it was also like diet, exercise, but here it's just another level of, on the deep dive sessions, I just learned a lot about me. It's just a process on a very different level. Like it has nothing to do with my workouts or my food. It has like more to do about like me and what I've been through, and this is okay. I've hurt my back a lot of times before, and this time, like every time I do your workouts, like I never injure myself. So I'm just very happy with that. And like you have this saying on when you go into your website that it says we help you build a fierce frame, and it's like it is like it's right. Like I feel like I'm like super strong. Like this has never happened to me before. Like I feel really good.
Literally a fierce frame.
Yay, I feel that way. I'm really happy.
I feel like I'm fully at peace and aligned with all of my goals that I've been working on, and yeah, like I think that's my bottom line.
I feel like that's why I felt so stuck at the beginning, because I didn't realize how the heck I was going to get out of this. And the way I got out of it is surprising, and how quickly I was able to get out of it was surprising to me. I thought this was going to be a whole lot longer of a process, and how easy it was.
So good.
Yeah.
It's like it gets to be easy and simple and fun and natural and feel good.
Yeah, like the simplicity was one thing I was very pleasantly surprised with, and how you are for simplicity, and you just made things so simple. And within a month, like this habit was eradicated.
Amazing. Amazing.
Feels like I could do anything.
Yes, that's it.
I'm like, oh, I know that's going to be the hardest for me, but you know what? I'm going to try it. And I did it. And
you like kept the course, and you just kept saying, I'm worth it. And it's okay if I have these little segues and like these little turn-offs, and then I'll guide myself back on the path. And
that's exactly what I did.
I love that. I'm so proud of you.
We're meant to be beautiful, and we're meant to love it, like love ourselves for it.
Yes. Oh,
yeah.
Goosebumps. You went from literally being like, this is, my body's not going to change, like this is all it is, to where you're at.
It's a big deal to me. It's huge.
You are there now. Like you did lose whatever remaining amount of weight you wanted to. You did get the tone and the curves and the muscle that you wanted. How quickly did that happen for you? And when did you first notice like, oh, my body really is changing?
The first couple months, the first 2 months, I already had friends telling me like, you look different. Like you look really good, girl. Your face is slimming. But I didn't believe it at first, because like I don't notice it. But I noticed it myself this month. And not to sound conceited, but like I was trying on different outfits, and I was like, damn, my body is banging right now. Like it's really good. I was staring at it, and I'm like, I've never looked at my own body like this before. So yeah, it was cool.
I'm so much more confident. I feel so much more worthy.
I feel very confident. I feel secure in my body. And that influences who I be. Because when I was in that space, I felt hopeless. I felt insecure. I felt stuck. I felt like I wanted to hide. And I feel like the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. And if I was like wanting to hide my body, like I was also not speaking my voice. Like I didn't want to be seen. And so that led into other areas of my life. That's one reason, like it was kind of like a double-edged sword with the self-isolation, because I was self-isolating, and that was making me like feel more uncomfortable in my body, but then feeling more uncomfortable in my body made me want to self-isolate even more. Throughout this process, like developing that confidence and that security in myself again helped me get out there. And I'm like, oh, I feel good. I want to go on a date. I want to go to happy hour. Really grateful for how much joy I've been experiencing lately, and this new like body that I've been able to like, not even new body, my body. I'm grateful for my body.
Yes, you're just like the sculptor. Like,
yeah,
It feels freeing to become me.
I feel like I love my body on another level that I've never loved before, like never felt that way around my body. It feels like awesome. Like I can't believe I did it.